Imagine this. You're all set to go solar, excited about cutting energy costs and helping the planet. Then, bam, unexpected bills hit, and suddenly your project costs way more than you planned. What if just 4 minutes of your time could save you from that headache, and possibly $10,000 or more? Stick around, because we're about to uncover the hidden costs no one talks about when it comes to solar installation, and companies like Sunstra are here to make sure you're informed every step of the way. Let's talk about something most people don't really think about when it comes to solar, permits and inspections. Your solar journey doesn't actually start with the panels. It starts with paperwork. Cities have specific permits you need, and each inspection comes with its own fee. These can pile up pretty fast, adding a few $100s before any panels even touch your roof. Now, speaking of your roof, sure, it might seem fine right now, but can it support solar panels for the next 25 years? A lot of homeowners are surprised to find out they might need roof repairs, or worse, a full replacement, before installation can even begin. This isn't just about keeping the panels secure. It's about making sure your investment is protected in the long run. Here's something else people don't always consider. While solar panels can boost your home's value, they could also bump up your insurance premiums by 10 to 20%. Not all installers mention that part when they're giving their initial pitch, so it's something Sunstra always advises customers to think about early on. And then there's your electrical system. It's like trying to pour a gallon of water into a small cup. Your current electrical panel just isn't built to handle the flow of power from solar panels. Upgrading the panel and possibly rewiring the system ensures your home can manage the extra energy safely and efficiently, but it can also add thousands of dollars to your project. And let's not forget about nature. Those gorgeous shade trees in your yard? Some of them might have to go to make sure your panels get enough sunlight. Hiring a professional to trim or remove trees is another cost that can take homeowners by surprise. And what about batteries? If you're aiming for energy independence, adding a battery storage system could set you back another $5,000 or more. It's a big expense, but it can be a game changer during power outages or when electricity prices spike. Even after the panels are up, there's still maintenance to think about. While solar panels don't need a ton of upkeep, they aren't completely hands-off. Regular cleaning, inspections, and monitoring systems come with their own costs. Plus, some components like inverters might need replacing after 10 to 15 years. So, what's the bottom line? Solar is still a fantastic investment for many homeowners, but planning is key. Work with reputable installers like Sunstra who are upfront about pricing, and make sure you're factoring in these hidden costs right from the start. Remember, going solar isn't just about getting the panels up. It's about creating an energy solution that's sustainable for both your home and your budget for years to come. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be sharing more tips on solar energy and sustainable living, so stay tuned. And if you're interested in solar options, Sunstra is always here to help guide the way. Until next time, keep embracing a lifestyle that's green, clean, and smart.